Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of search engine optimization with a comprehensive tutorial on the Yoast SEO plugin. Whether you're just starting out in the digital world or you're a seasoned pro, this guide is designed to help you navigate the ins and outs of this powerful tool. We're going to delve into the nitty-gritty details of Yoast SEO, from installation and setup to keyword optimization, content analysis, and so much more. We'll also explore some of the best settings that can help optimize your website for maximum visibility and traffic. So, whether you're looking to boost your site's search engine ranking, increase organic traffic, or simply make your content more appealing to your audience, this tutorial is for you. Stick around as we explore the best settings to optimize your website for maximum visibility and traffic. Before we delve into the settings, let's briefly discuss what Yoast SEO is and why it's essential for your website's success. Yoast SEO is an indispensable plugin for any website owner who wants to improve their site's visibility and drive organic traffic. It's like your personal SEO consultant guiding you through the complex world of search engine optimization. So what makes Yoast SEO so special? Firstly, it's designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone, from SEO novices to seasoned experts. Secondly, it offers a comprehensive suite of tools for both content and technical SEO. This means it can help you optimize your text for search engines, improve the readability of your content, and even handle the technical aspects of SEO, like creating XML sitemaps and setting up structured data. In essence, Yoast SEO is a powerful tool that helps you optimize your website's content, improve its visibility on search engines like Google, and ultimately drive more organic traffic to your site. The first step in harnessing the power of Yoast SEO is to install and set it up correctly. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. To start, you'll need to download the Yoast SEO plugin. Head over to the WordPress plugin directory, type Yoast SEO into the search bar, and hit enter. When you see the Yoast SEO plugin pop up, click on the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click Activate, and voila! You've successfully installed the Yoast SEO plugin. Now that we've got the plugin installed, it's time to set it up. For this, you'll need to navigate to the Yoast SEO dashboard. Here you'll find a configuration wizard that will guide you through the setup process. The first step in the configuration wizard is site type. Choose the option that best describes your website. Whether it's a blog, an online shop, or a news channel, Yoast SEO has got you covered. Next, you'll be asked to set your website's visibility. If you want search engines to index your site, make sure to select Yes. The following step involves setting up your website's default search appearance. Here, you'll configure how your website's title and meta description appear in search results. Remember, a catchy title and an engaging meta description can significantly increase your click-through rates. After that, you're asked to set up your site's social profiles. Linking your website to your social media accounts helps in improving your online presence. The final step is to configure the webmaster tools. This step is optional but can provide valuable insights into your website's performance. And there we go. We've now configured the basic settings to ensure your website is optimized for search engines. But remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and you'll need to regularly update and refine your settings based on your website's performance and changes in SEO practices. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep optimizing. Keywords are the cornerstone of SEO, and Yoast SEO makes it easy to optimize your content for relevant keywords. Let's dive into how you can supercharge your content with keyword optimization using Yoast SEO. First off, conducting keyword research is crucial. This helps you identify the terms and phrases your audience is using to search for content related to your niche. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush can come in handy here, allowing you to find popular keywords that are relevant to your content. Now, once you have a list of potential keywords, the next step is to strategically place these in your content. This includes your title, headings, and throughout your body text. Remember, the goal is to naturally incorporate these keywords so your content remains engaging and readable. Overstuffing your content with keywords can actually hurt your SEO, so moderation is key. Yoast SEO makes this process a breeze with its built-in analysis tools. When you enter your focus keyword, Yoast SEO analyzes your content and provides feedback on how well it's optimized for that keyword. This includes checking the keyword density, ensuring the keyword is used in the right places, and even checking the readability of your content. The plugin uses a traffic light system, with green indicating good optimization, orange for OK, and red for needs improvement. But don't just stop at one keyword. Yoast SEO also allows you to optimize your content for synonyms and related keywords. This helps you cover a broader range of search queries, increasing the chances of your content being discovered. And finally, don't forget about your meta description. This is the short summary of your content that appears in search results. Make sure to include your focus keyword here, as it can significantly impact your click-through rate. By strategically placing keywords throughout your content and utilizing Yoast SEO's built-in analysis tools, your content is now optimized to rank high in search results. Remember, keyword optimization isn't a one-time process. It requires consistent effort and adjustments as search trends evolve. But with Yoast SEO by your side, you're well equipped to stay ahead of the game. Happy optimizing! Quality content is king in the world of SEO, and Yoast SEO helps you create content that not only appeals to your audience but also performs well in search engine rankings. Now let's dive into how you can make the most out of Yoast SEO's content analysis features. This tool is designed to help you optimize your content for readability, engagement, and search engine visibility. So how does it work? Yoast SEO's content analysis tool evaluates your text based on several readability checks. These include factors like sentence length, paragraph length, use of subheadings, and the presence of passive voice. The tool assigns a readability score to your content and provides suggestions on areas that need improvement. Keep in mind, it's not just about ticking off boxes in the readability checks. It's also about understanding your audience and tailoring your content to their needs. For instance, if your target audience is beginners in a specific topic, you'll want to avoid jargon and keep your sentences and paragraphs short and simple. Next up is the SEO analysis feature. This tool evaluates your content based on its optimization for your focus keyword or key phrase. It checks for keyword density, keyword distribution, and whether you've used your keyword in the right places like your title, meta description, and subheadings. But remember, while keywords are important, they're not everything. Search engines are increasingly prioritizing user experience. This means that stuffing your content with keywords won't do you any good if it doesn't provide value to your readers. So, always strive to create high-quality, engaging, and useful content that naturally incorporates your keywords. Finally, let's talk about meta descriptions. These are short snippets that describe what your content is about. Yoast SEO helps you optimize your meta descriptions by checking if they're the right length and if they contain your focus keyword. A well-crafted meta description can entice users to click on your link and increase your website's click-through rate. With these tips and the content analysis features of Yoast SEO, you're well on your way to creating content that is optimized for both your audience and search engines. In addition to content optimization, Yoast SEO offers a range of technical SEO settings to further enhance your website's performance. These are not just bells and whistles, but vital components of a well-rounded SEO strategy. Firstly, let's talk about XML sitemaps. These are essentially maps for search engines, guiding them to the important pages on your site. With Yoast SEO, you can automatically generate and update these sitemaps, ensuring search engines can easily find and index your content. Next up are breadcrumbs. These nifty navigation aids make it easier for both users and search engines to understand the structure of your site. Yoast SEO allows you to easily add and customize breadcrumbs, enhancing user experience and contributing to your SEO efforts. We can't talk about technical SEO without mentioning permalinks. These are the URLs of your web pages and posts. It's important that they're clean, concise, and descriptive. With Yoast SEO, you can set permalink structures that make sense for your site and are optimized for search engines. And let's not forget about other settings like canonical URLs, schema markup, and robots.txt files. These might sound complex, but don't worry. Yoast SEO simplifies these aspects, making it easy for you to ensure your site is technically sound. By configuring these technical SEO settings, your website is now technically sound and search engine friendly. You're not just building a website, You're crafting an experience for both your users and search engines. That's the true power of technical SEO. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive tutorial on the Yoast SEO plugin and the best settings to optimize your website for search engines. We've journeyed from installation and setup through keyword and content optimization to advanced technical SEO settings. Each step of the way, Yoast SEO has proven itself an invaluable tool in your SEO arsenal. By following the tips and techniques we've covered today, you'll be well on your way to improving your website's visibility, driving more traffic, and achieving your SEO goals.